Hello everybody. Today I'm going to make a video about how to block any phone calls in Cumin and in easy peasy way. As you can see, code 319 active maintenance situation is not affect to engine productivity. So instead of delete it, I choose to block it and I will show you how. First thing first, you will have to make a backup work order in inside before flashing exam with color. It's really important. Maybe it will save you one day, believe me. I'll make a video about the importance of it later. So here I'm saving the order. Convert to template. Insert the engine serial number. And OK. Okay, let's open the column. First step, we need to check what kind of engine it is. So I need to find a device. Okay, this one is BBO. Next, we need to find the BBO ID. BBO. Here it is. Okay, then open the com file to edit. The parameter query board will pop up. I want to choose to see the information of the engine. Next, I'm uploading the com file from eSAM to computer. It takes a pretty long time, so grab some popcorn will make you feel better. Maybe? I guess. Okay, here you are. Open the com file to edit. Okay, I choose CAZT block phone code and CFTR block LAM code. Yeah. In this field, add the code that you want to block and save it. In this situation, it is 319. And save. Okay, now download the XCOM file. You just add it back to the exam. Okay, now we have to wait again. The pandemic is really serious now. Do you guys guess to it well? My customer is degree depend on this situation, so it kind of stressed through. But on the other hand, I have time to make a more video for you guys, so it's not that bad, right? So please like and subscribe to see more useful content from me. If you have any problem or questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you. Okay, the work is almost done. It's about 30%. You can continue with your popcorn. Okay, success. Now what we have to do is to erase phone code. As you can see, the code 319 is disappear and the other one is harmless code, so my customer don't want to do it to delete it. So that's it. See you guys on the next video. Bye.